Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to activate or deactivate the DST function on your Casioak. As you can see right here, we have DST written and it is deactivated, and I know that by the fact that we do not have a dot right next to it. If it were activated, you would see a small dot right next to it, and that is how you know that the DST is on. In order to activate it or to deactivate it, we are going to press the adjust button and hold it for 3 seconds. The first thing that we can set is the home city. I'm going to use the mode button in order to go past that. And then we have the DST function. As you can see, we have off, and it actually shows us where it would appear. If I press any of the two buttons on the right, it is going to switch between on and off. If I leave it on, and then I press the adjust button, you can see that I have ended the process and the DST is now on. If I want to have it off, I'm going to repeat the process, press the set button, press the mode button in order to go to the DST, and then switch it to off. In order to end the process, we are going to press the adjust button, and that is all. You can see now that the DST, so the daylight saving time, is off. So guys, I hope you enjoyed. If so, make sure to give it a thumbs up. I have a full guide on all the functions and features of the Casioak. So all the Casioak models that feature the module 5611, link in the description box below. You'll be able to set everything to use the world time function, the alarm, the chrono, and also to align the watch hands, for example, after a battery replacement. So make sure to check it out guys. Once again, link in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know if it worked out for you, and also if you want to watch even more videos about watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials and watch reviews, make sure to be subscribed. I'm pretty sure you are going to love it guys. See you on the next one.